Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. 138 Student Living is eyeing expansion outside Jamaica. The chairman says while the company is still recovering from losses, finding new ways to grow the business is integral. Andrew Laidley reports.
In 2018, 138 Student Living reported net loss of $16 million, caused chiefly by high utility costs and operational deficiencies. Fast forward to 2019, and the company is reporting net profit of $22 million. Chairman Ian Passad now confirming that the company is in a better position to pursue expansion plans.
Some of the items that resulted in a loss in 2019 were one-off events. Such as the arbitration claim against the company in relation to prime development. I would say with a fair amount of confidence that the company has turned the corner. We are seeing 2 quarters of sustained profitability.
While the company plans to grow in Jamaica, Mr. Passad says the board is also eyeing other opportunities further afield.
There's also some potential looking at other partners within Jamaica. UTEC is a potential. But we're also looking regionally at some of the other campuses. And I think maybe over time we'll start to look a little wider in terms of the opportunities, maybe in the US, maybe in other countries as well.
And that's not the only change on the cards. 138 is also adding new types of accommodation to its business model.
As part of the current infrastructure that we have, there is an opportunity for us to participate a little more in what we call short-term rentals. These could be, folks who are visiting Jamaica on a short-term basis. It could be groups, maybe like a university swim team, for example, that wants to come to Jamaica to train. So a number of initiatives are being looked at in that context.
But before implementing those initiatives, the company will have to see about building out more rooms as its current occupancy rate has peaked at 99%.
It's about how do we continue to grow that capacity while at the same time maintaining the quality of the offering that we have to the students. I think that is going to be the key #1 challenge that we have going forward.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The National Road Operating and Constructing Company NROC has decided to upsize its offer for shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway. The government is now making 80% of the company available to the public. Trans-Jamaican Highway is now looking to raise $14.1 billion from the initial public offer. NROC says it expects the offer to close early on Monday. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $138.01. The Canadian dollar, $103.02. The pound is going for $178.02, while the euro ended the day at $153.14. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 1,125 points today, and the junior market index is down by 15 points. Among the winners, Salada Foods, Everything Fresh, Derimon Trading 2021 preference shares, Siboney Group, and KLE Group. On the losing side were Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, General Accident Insurance Company, 138 Student Living variable preference shares, and Mailpack Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm.